Ngihlale ngitshela nonke ukuthi bengiqala ukuthola a bigger role ngale show engigcine ngayo ukuyenza. That was a bigger role for me. That was a breakthrough. But umuthi uyabheka ukuthi ngiqale nini uku-actor. Ngina more than 35 years in this industry. And I've been acting all my life. Ngithole 3 days lapha, ngithole 5 days lapha. Ngithole the longest contract engaba nayo kwaba May, June, July, August, September, October. Yeah, kwaba 6 months. Yaba from May to October. That was the biggest contract engake ngaba nayo, and that was Generations a long time ago. I was a call act. Yini call act? A call actor umuntu who gets paid according to the number of days abizwe ngawo uzoshoot. I always survived. Bengiloke ngiphila as an actor. Nebona ukuthi kunzima kanjani? Bengiqala ngomkhokha ukuthola i-contract, ngashuthi first season, ngashuthi second season. And the drama series esayishuta every 2 months. Eyidlala every Sunday ngo8:30. Ekuyona eyasenza ukuthi umkhokha sithole ibe telenovela. So ngisho kanje ngoba ngenzela ukuthi laba bayithola bekwi-situation akade besebenza job after job after job after job bebe beqala ukungena kwi-industry. Uma sebebona ku-quiet bangakhathazeki, i-industry yethu injalo. Ngangena kwi-industry mina knowing very well you work today, you don't work tomorrow. And I'm glad it happened that way because I don't get frustrated. I don't get depressed. Uma ngingasebenzi, it's okay. Oh, sekuleso sikhathi angisebenzi, let me focus on other things. The job will come again. So, understanding leyo, awusebenzi not because you bad, awusebenzi because they don't have your character on their show.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Actress uDaily Malinga usend message kubantu baseMzansi ukuthi ku-acting industry akusingale ndlela abantu abaningi baqabanga ngakhona kumatima because uyahlala laphana awungasebenzi isikhathi lesithe namhla yasebenza kusasawusebenza uthi yena ube akulomkhakha wo-actor 35 years but i-breakthrough yakhe waze wayithola ngalesikana actor umkhokha because that was the longest role lakhe wayithola empilweni yakhe sukela actor kulo 35 years wonke. Uthi leya bangqono futhi ngalesikana actor laphana ku Generations because uthi wathola ngazuthi 6 months nyana akufani, but ufuna wathi ukuthi tona umkhakha woku-actor akusiglamorous ngalendlela abantu baqabanga ngakhona. Lelinye la ngiyasebenza, lelinye la ngafuthi awusebenzi. Ngase kudzala siyakhumbula sibeke ndi video uDaily Malinga aqela ama donations ebantwini apparently beba nominated for ma-awards phesheya, so bekanganamali uye ukuthi agibele ahamba yophesheya, so waqela ama-donations ebantwini. Abantu abaningi they were dragging her saying ukuthi hayibo wena uyi-actor unemali, thina uthi siyithatha iphi imali. Bazama ukusitshela ma-actors nema-actress ukuthi akunamali lapha kulo mkhakha, there is no money. Ngiko sihlala simangala ukuthi hayibo sibani soqela imali, awuzibani ufuna ama-donations kanjani because sisathi ukuthi kumele vele TV thine unemali. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. I'm signing out, so goodbye.